Emergency Flood Repair in Houghton TX. We are Houston's top emergency flood repair service provider. Call us 24/7 and we will dispatch our water damage restoration experts to you ASAP. If you're in need of water damage services in Houston, Texas, look no further than our professional restoration company. We understand the urgency of water damage and are available 24/7 to respond to your emergency. We have the experience and knowledge to handle any restoration project with the highest level of expertise and care. Emergency flood repair refers to the immediate and urgent restoration services required to mitigate and repair the damage caused by flooding. It involves extracting standing water, drying out wet areas, and repairing any structural or material damage caused by water. You may need emergency flood repair services if you have experienced a sudden flood or water damage that requires immediate attention. Signs that you may need emergency flood repair include standing water in your home or business, wet carpets or flooring, water stains on walls or ceilings, and a musty or damp smell. Yes, emergency flood repair services are common in Houston, Texas due to the city's proximity to the Gulf of Mexico and its susceptibility to heavy rainfall and flooding. Hurricanes and tropical storms can also cause significant flooding in the area. Emergency flood repair services typically involve a rapid response to minimize damage caused by floodwaters. The team will arrive on site quickly to assess the extent of the damage and immediately begin the process of water extraction and drying. Insurance coverage for emergency flood repair may vary depending on the specific policy and circumstances. It's important to review your insurance policy to see what is covered and to contact your insurance provider as soon as possible after experiencing flood damage. If your property has experienced flooding or water damage, it's essential to call an expert for emergency flood repair services as soon as possible. The longer you wait, the more damage can occur, and the cost of repairs can increase significantly. It's recommended to call an expert immediately if there is standing water in your property, water is coming from a sewage backup or natural disaster, or you notice signs of mold growth. Emergency flood repair involves a series of steps that need to be taken to mitigate the damage caused by flooding. The first step is to remove the water and dry out the affected area. This can involve using powerful pumps and specialized drying equipment. The next step is to assess the damage and repair or replace any damaged materials. Depending on the severity of the damage, this can include replacing drywall, flooring, and electrical components. The cost of emergency flood repair services can vary depending on the extent of the damage and the specific services required. Factors that can influence the cost include the size of the affected area, the severity of the damage, and the type of materials and equipment needed for the repair.